Morning, y'all. I am in the mood to do a little daily vlog. So good morning to y'all. Good morning to Ren. And here's my day. Ooh, somebody's selling something. Let's see what we got. What is this guy? BB. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Around this time every morning, like clockwork, the dogs, the roosters, and this little pet myna bird that our neighbor across the street has all decide to sing in unison and wake up the whole block, which is kind of cool. I enjoy it. And I think it's because of this one dude who's selling suman off of his trike, which is fine, but he is using a speaker to advertise himself, which is super annoying compared to like the traditional where you just use your voice, which is, you gotta do what you gotta do. We're going to Pashal. We're headed to San Fernando, but first, we gotta get breakfast.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to McDonald's. Maybe you order, please.
Can we start off with 2 sausage McMuffins with egg, a longanisa with egg? Do you still have the egg disal with sausage?
Cheese everything with sausage.
Yes.
With hash brown and drinks po yan.
Yeah. Hey, babe. What's a mega dike?
It's like this dam that they built during the horror.
Okay, thank you.
Let's call the number.
Mom is asking us to bring them something.
Bruh. All right, everybody. So we're checking out a house that we are most likely going to stay in for the next couple months while we're building our own house here in San Fernando. And this is our first time here, and it's a yes for me. This place is spacious. It's amazing. House tour. Here in Angeles, and we are going to get some ingredients for lunch. Gotta pass through security real quick. Hold on. Thank you. Security checks. Freaking silly. So we're making sopas today, and I'm gonna need some ingredients. So here we go.
Pause and swipe on your card.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My mom had prepared some chicken last night for dinner, and we have some chicken stock, which was left over right over there. and we're going to turn that into sopas. If you've never had sopas, it's a Filipino soup, which includes macaroni, chicken stock, hot dogs, cabbage, carrots, garlic, onion, some celery, and perfect for a rainy day. If you're not aware, we're kind of in the midst of a super typhoon, which isn't so typhoony today, but it is rainy, so we're going to have some sopas. Sopas is ready. So there are plenty of delicious sopas recipes on the internet already, so I'm not gonna. Well, I mean, if you want this recipe, let me know in the comments and I'll drop it for sure. But my suggestion is, if you are gonna find a recipe online, make sure you choose one with patis. I think that's a truly authentic sopas recipe. Just do a little bit. Check out these tender juicies I bought. They're sleeved up. They're cute little hot dogs with hot dog condoms on them. Awkward, right? The Balut guy's here. Carla, Balut guy?
I'm calling the Balut.
Did he hear you?
He heard me.
Is he coming? The Balut guy finally came down our street. We're getting some Balut, y'all. There we go. She's been trying to track him down for the past couple days. The Balut guy's here. Hi, Po.
Limang balut po.
All right, some Balut. Here we go. Here you go. Keep the change. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right, y'all. For the first time in about more than 15 years for myself, I'm going to try a balut. I've had balut before, but I was like 15 years old. Remember when we went to the Philippines for the first time?
Yeah.
2001. That was the first time I had it, and it was at night. I closed my eyes and I just scarfed it down. And we have some spiced vinegar that I made and a little bit of rock salt that was provided. For my mom, this is going to be her first time actually trying to attempt to eat the bird, the little baby bird that's inside. But she has had a balut before, but she really just eats the yolk and the egg around it. And for those of you that have been hiding under a rock for the past 20 years, a balut is a fertilized duck egg, which is boiled and eaten with salt, vinegar, or whatever your preferred choice. And but you know, look at that. All right, so we're gonna get some rock salt. Do I add the soy sauce? I'm nervous. I'm like really nervous.
Just bring the stuff out. It's good. It's enjoyable.
Okay, it tastes like a egg broth. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. I can see the little chick.
Okay. I'm only gonna see the yellow.
You can see it right there. All right, there's definitely some feathers in here.
Wait.
What's wrong, Mom? There's a baby duck in here. All right, I'm gonna peel it.
I know.
I'm just gonna pop it. I'm not gonna like bite up.
You're still sharp.
Okay. Here it is. There's feathers in here. All right. Let's see our first balut. Do a little salt.
You put shells on there. You literally added shells on there.
Some of the sauce. I'm just gonna pop it,
You
dude.
dropped the shell.
Okay. You ready, Mom?
I'm gonna bite.
You don't want to just pop the whole thing in your mouth?
I
Dude, it's hard.
Just bite it.
Why is it so hard?
There's the white part.
The white, the egg
just
white.
bite it.
I'm nervous. I'm just gonna eat the whole thing.
Just go with
Go.
there.
don't even
Okay.
see anything.
It tastes like eggs.
Yeah.
Bruh.
The one I got was really feathery. I had to spit it out. Feather.
I feel a little weird, but it tastes like eggs.
Yeah,
It's good.
It's good.
yeah. Something got stuck. I think it's the membrane. That's how it for
What you're
the
looking at.
Oh, it's very hard. The egg's hard.
Because there's the white part that you can spit out.
There's something crunchy.
it's ano.
Might be the.
Sa'yo na yung sisiw ah.
Not bad.
There you go.
Are you ready, Mom?
Oh, I'm eating
Don't
it.
eat the chick.
Hey, hold on. You're cheating, Mom.
I'm not.
You're cheating. You didn't eat the
I'm
chick.
saying.
Look right there, cheating.
I'm saying.
Are you gonna eat it or no? Why aren't you looking at it, Mom? Why aren't you looking at it? Mom, I ate the whole thing.
I know. Not cheating. I just said.
Okay.
I ate only the yolk.
I'm gonna peer pressure you now.
No.
Mom, why are you hiding it? You're having trouble here, huh?
Yeah.
What's going through your head?
I just haven't eaten it ever since.
Okay, well, what about now? What's going on? You're grossed out, huh?
Maybe.
You gonna give it a shot or no? No. Fail.
I'm
Mama Rose
chicken.
chickened out. Y'all saw me. I ate the whole thing.
Let's eat the Penoy.
We'll just give it a
Don't-
shot.
Don't
What?
don't be don't be disintegrate. Oh no. No.
Mom, come on.
No,
You
no,
eat it.
no.
about
Okay.
the
Anyways,
yolk.
honest reviews. Honest reviews.
Come here, be
I'm probably not gonna eat balut anymore. Like it's weird that there's a little baby duck egg in there. For me, just for me, and I respect the tradition and everything about
Look at
balut
that one.
and everything, but it just weirded me out that
I'm in the
I'm eating a little baby duck.
I like
But if you're curious and you never want to try it, it literally just tastes like a leathery egg with a little bit of crunch at the end. I think it's the beak.
But it's just I don't know.
By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. If you like the content and everything, please subscribe to
Eating.
Kuya RJ.
Kuya RJ.
Subscribe to Kuya RJ. Give me a like, share with a friend. I appreciate y'all. All right, I'm gonna end this vlog at one of my favorite places here in Angeles. It's the 7-Eleven here in Don Bonifacio. I've been here like almost every day. The fam wanted some ice cream and some siopao and some water. And honestly, it's way faster to come to 7-Eleven, even though it's a little higher in price compared to going to the mall or the grocery store because the lines are ridiculous there. Once again, thank you guys for following my vlog. I appreciate y'all. And subscribe if you haven't already. And let's eat some 7-Eleven. Dude, my glasses are getting foggy. If y'all haven't had this siopao from 7-Eleven, it is fire. I always get the bola bola. And there's these kids, the street kids. They open the door for you. I always try to hook them up. Let's see if he wants some. I'm trying to fuck him down. But she's my foggy lashes. And you know what's cool about here in 7-Eleven? They provide tables for you to eat here and chill. And there's like people in front of me. Yeah. Look over there. They're eating. I'm eating. And it's just a common thing to chill at 7-Eleven. By yourself, with a friend. Go on a date. Oh, you can drink here. You can freaking drink here, man. It's good. There's one. Anyways. Delicious siopao sleeper food at 7-Eleven.